The Hemi V8 is dead, but Dodge just dropped a 550 horsepower Hurricane that might actually make you forget it ever existed. This is the 2026 Dodge Charger Scat Pack 6-pack, and it's here to prove that 6 cylinders can still scream muscle. Under the hood sits the 3-liter twin-turbo Hurricane high-output engine. We're talking 550 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque, delivered through a standard all-wheel drive system. It's surgical, hitting 60 in just 3.9 seconds. But don't worry, Dodge kept the soul alive with a selectable rear-wheel drive mode for those mandatory smoky burnouts. But here's the real question. Does a twin-turbo inline-6 sound like a proper Dodge, or just a fast SUV? Inside, it's a massive upgrade. You get a cockpit-style 12.3-inch screen, a rugged pistol grip shifter, and enough wide-body aggression to dominate any lane. It feels lighter and sharper than the old heavy metal Chargers, but it still carries that massive, intimidating road presence. It's faster, smarter, and meaner. But can it truly replace the roar of a V8 in your heart? Only the stopwatch can decide. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Auto Glimpse. Like and subscribe for your next 60-second fix.